It's natural to feel strong emotions in a relationship sometimes, but it's also important to process and express them in a healthy way. When you feel an emotion, take a moment to recognize it without judgment. Try to put a specific name to it and figure out exactly why you're feeling it. For example, you might say to yourself, "I'm feeling frustrated right now because my boyfriend keeps showing up late, and it makes me wonder if he respects my time." If your feelings are bothering you a lot, try talking to your partner about them in a calm, non-confrontational way. Use I language to put the focus on your feelings instead of on your partner, so they'll be less likely to feel accused or judged. Say something like, "I feel frustrated when you show up late for a date." Once you've spoken, listen calmly to what your partner has to say. Even if you disagree, do your best to validate their feelings and avoid getting defensive. If you feel yourself getting worked up, try taking a few deep breaths to calm down. You can even excuse yourself and come back to the discussion later. If you often find yourself overwhelmed with strong, negative emotions, consider talking to a counselor, either individually or as a couple. They can help you figure out where the emotions are coming from and build healthy strategies for dealing with them.